Good day, everyone. Today I will be discussing network topologies, especially the three common types: star, bus, and ring topology. This topic is important because it helps us understand how computers are connected and how data moves inside a network. Let's start with the question: what is network topology? Network topology refers to the layout or arrangement of devices in a network. In simple terms, it shows how computers are connected and how they communicate with each other. Network topology has two categories: wired topology, which uses cables, and wireless topology, which uses Wi-Fi or signals. In this presentation, we will focus on wired topology, which includes star, bus, and ring topology. To make it easier to understand, think of topology like a road system. In a city, roads connect different places, and the way those roads are arranged affects how traffic moves. If the roads are well designed, traffic flows smoothly, but if not, there will be traffic jams. In the same way, in a network, devices are like houses. Cables are like roads. The data is like cars. So topology affects how fast and reliable data moves. Now let's talk about star topology. Star topology is a widely used network layout where all devices are connected to a central device, such as a hub or switch. This means that all communication passes through the central device. Think of this like a classroom. The teacher is the central hub, students are the devices, all communication goes through the teacher. An example is your Wi-Fi router at home. All your devices connect to it. The advantages of star topology are: it is easy to manage. If one device fails, the others still work. However, the disadvantage is if the central device fails, the entire network will stop. So, if your router stops working, all your devices lose internet. Next is bus topology. Bus topology is a network where all devices are connected to a single main cable called a backbone. All data travels along this one cable. Think of this like a single highway. All cars use the same road. If there is a problem, everyone is affected. The advantages are low cost, easy to set up, but the disadvantages are difficult to troubleshoot. If the main cable fails, the entire network stops. Because of these disadvantages, bus topology is rarely used today. Now let's move on to ring topology. In this type, Devices are connected in a circular path. Data travels in one direction, passing from one device to another. Think of this like a circle of people passing a message. Each person passes the message to the next. The advantages are organized data flow, less data collision. The disadvantages are if one device fails, the whole network is affected. It is difficult to reconfigure. So, if one device stops working, communication in the network is interrupted. Now, let's look at world applications, especially in hospitality. In a hotel, a star topology is used for booking system and Wi-Fi. In a restaurant, it is used in POS systems where all terminals connect to a central system. In a resort, it is used for guest Wi-Fi and internal communication. Star topology is commonly used because it is reliable and easy to manage. To summarize, star topology is widely used in hotels, restaurants, and Wi-Fi networks. Bus topology is rarely used and only for small setups. Ring topology is used to specialized or older systems. That is why star topology is the most common in modern businesses. Now, let's compare the three topologies. Star topology is easy to manage, reliable, but depends on a central device. Bus topology is low cost but not reliable for large networks. Last is ring topology is organized but risky if one device fails. So overall, star topology is the best choice for most situations. To conclude, network topology affects the performance, reliability, and efficiency of a network. Among the three, star topology is the most commonly used today. For recommendations, use star topology for modern systems, avoid bus topology for large networks. Always ensure proper maintenance and security because even a good network design needs proper care to function well. These are the references used for this presentation, including Cisco Networking Academy and network textbooks. Thank you for listening.